Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 9. This module, our topic is AR verbs, regular verbs. So we've already learned a bunch of irregular verbs. Now we have our regular AR verbs, and yes, no questions. So make sure you go over all of our materials for the grammar. And then we also have here a pronunciation review because this module we have our pronunciation project number 2. So if you got a 95 or higher on the first one, you don't need to do the second one. Just send me an email telling me that you want to use your grade for the first one for the second one. If you got below an 80, I really recommend that you email me to meet with me either in person or on Zoom to go over it together, because if you got below an 80 on the first one, then you probably will need help with the second one. And then if you're somewhere in between that, just make sure you go over the pronunciation review and record that assignment. So that's it. We have regular homework packet. We're back to the homework packets after the field specific project. And then we have pronunciation project number 2 and the quiz like always. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.